The world is racing to build the infrastructure EVs need. Governments and companies are investing billions in public charging stations, at malls, rest stops, and city streets. Fast chargers now add hundreds of miles in just 15-20 minutes. Wireless charging and lamppost chargers are making it easier for everyone to plug in. Charging hubs and citywide networks are popping up, even for apartment dwellers. Battery technology is improving fast. Many new EVs can go 300-400 miles on a single charge. Range anxiety is fading as cars go farther and chargers become more common. The infrastructure puzzle is being solved piece by piece. Soon, charging will be as easy as filling up with gas. The electric revolution is accelerating. The future of EVs is even more thrilling. Scientists are developing solid-state batteries, lighter, safer, and able to power cars for 500 miles or more. Charging could soon take just minutes. Vehicle-to-grid tech will let your car store and share energy, stabilizing the power grid. Automakers are using lightweight materials for greater efficiency and range. Every part of the car, from tires to body shape, is being optimized for performance. The electric revolution isn't just for cars. Trucks, buses, and even planes are going electric. Electrifying big vehicles means cleaner air for everyone. Soon, every way we move could be powered by clean energy. The possibilities are endless. The future of transportation is electric, and it's coming fast.